Hey everyone, or should I say hey to the few people who might actually see this. This is probably going to be the hardest video I've ever made. And honestly, it might be my last one. After a whole year of pouring my heart and soul into this channel, I've come to a painful realization. It's time for me to walk away. 1 year, 365 days of scripting, filming, editing, uploading, hoping, waiting, and for what? The numbers don't lie. And they're telling me a story I don't want to hear but can't ignore anymore. Single-digit views on videos I spent days perfecting. Comment section emptier than my motivation right now. Subscriber count that barely budged despite everything I threw at this platform. I remember when I started this channel, I was so full of dreams and ambitions. I thought I had something special to offer, something people would want to see. I planned out content calendars, studied successful YouTubers, tried to follow every piece of advice about thumbnails, titles, SEO. I gave it everything I had. But here's the crushing truth. Sometimes everything you have just isn't enough. Sometimes the algorithm doesn't pick you up. Sometimes your voice gets lost in the millions of others trying to be heard. Sometimes you're just invisible. The hardest part isn't even the low view counts or the lack of subscribers. It's the silence. It's uploading a video you're genuinely proud of and watching it disappear into the void without a trace. It's the realization that you could vanish from this platform tomorrow and nobody would even notice. I kept telling myself, just one more video. Maybe the next one will be the breakthrough. I just need to be patient. But patience has its limits, and mine are exhausted. I can't keep investing my time, my energy, my hope into something that's giving me nothing back. So this is me admitting defeat. This is me saying that maybe I wasn't cut out for this after all. Maybe my content wasn't engaging enough. Maybe I wasn't charismatic enough. Maybe I just didn't have that special something that makes people want to click and stay and subscribe. To the handful of people who did watch, who did leave a kind comment here and there, thank you. You probably don't realize how much those small gestures meant to someone desperately trying to make it in this space. You were the only light in what became a very dark tunnel. But I can't do this anymore. I can't keep creating content for an audience that doesn't exist. I can't keep pretending that passion alone is enough when the numbers scream that nobody cares. It's better to accept reality than to keep fooling myself. This platform has taught me a brutal lesson about dreams versus reality. Sometimes you can do everything right and still fail. Sometimes the market just isn't interested in what you're So goodbye, YouTube. Goodbye to the dream that kept me up at night editing. Goodbye to the hope that maybe tomorrow would be different. Goodbye to the channel that I thought would be my ticket to something bigger. I'm not angry. I'm just tired. Tired of shouting into the void. Tired of being ignored. Tired of pretending this isn't slowly breaking my spirit. Maybe I'll find my voice somewhere else. Maybe this just wasn't my medium. Or maybe I'll just accept that not everyone is meant to be a content creator, and that's okay too. If you're a small creator watching this and relating to every word, I see you. I feel your pain. And if you're stronger than me, if you can keep going despite the silence, then I truly admire you. You have something I clearly don't. This is it. Channel closed. Dream over. Time to move on. Thanks for nothing, YouTube. It's been really disappointing.